Hi guys, today I am going to talk about a word. It is overall. We can use overall as an adjective, adverb, and noun. The meaning of overall as an adjective is general. For example, your overall answer is excellent. The meaning of overall as an adverb is in general. Overall, the movie was perfect. Let's learn overall as a noun. It's a protected piece of clothing worn over regular clothes. You can see overalls on janitors, workers, and so on. For example, it is mandatory to wear an overall here.